Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with the Sentry Script for ChatNetUK.com. First, head over to ChatNetUK.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Chat Scripts. You'll see our featured script, Sentry. Open the Sentry page and, while you're logged into your ChatNetUK account, click Download. Once the download has finished, unzip the contents to a folder on your computer. Inside the folder, you'll find a README file. If you'd like to read through it first, feel free to pause the video now. Otherwise, let's continue. Open Sentry Script by double-clicking it, or open it with your web browser. You'll now see the connection screen. Click Connect to ChatNetUK. This will take you to the ChatNetUK login page. Enter your email address and password, then choose the chat room you'd like to connect to. If you've created your own room, simply select it from the list. If you'd like Sentry to remember your details, tick Remember Me. You can also tick Auto Connect, allowing Sentry to reconnect automatically the next time you open it. Now click Connect.
Connection established.
Within a few moments, you'll be connected to the ChatNetUK server. You can use Sentry as your chat client, chatting normally with everyone in the room, or you can use it to automate and help moderate your chat room. If you're simply chatting and would like to move to another room, click the Rooms button and choose a different chat room. Now let's add a script. Click the Scripts button. The Sentry Script Manager will open. From here, you can load any compatible ChatNetUK script. Navigate to your Scripts folder and select the script you'd like to use. Once loaded, you'll see it appear in the Script Manager. By default, it should already be enabled. Close the window and your script is now running. Now let's see just how easy it is to customize one. Open the Scripts window again. Select Bot Talk, then click Edit. Bot Talk is a great example because it's very easy to understand. Each rule contains a word or phrase to match, along with the reply that Sentry will send automatically. Simply change the trigger word and edit the reply to whatever you'd like. You can also adjust the response delay or change the matching type from exact to contains, giving you even more flexibility. When you've finished editing, save the file and close the editor. Back in Sentry, remove the Bot Talk script from the list, then load it again. This reloads your updated version and the new changes will immediately take effect. ChatNetUK includes a growing collection of ready-made scripts. You'll find everything from language guard and auto caps control to chat-up lines, welcome messages, moderation tools, and plenty more. Or, if you're feeling creative, you can write your own scripts and make Sentry behave exactly the way you want. That's one of the best things about Sentry. It's designed to be flexible, simple to use, and most importantly, fun. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy using Sentry Script and ChatNetUK. Happy scripting!